What's up with it, Mud Life? Coming back at you today. We got a 22 versus 22. 22 long rifle, 22 mag. We're going to test out the energy transfer and the penetration on them, and that's it. Stay along for the ride. First off, we just going to start with the 22. Am I in frame? Like I told y'all, I still ain't adjusted my sights. I missed it.
Man, I thought it was a motherfucker. Hey, a Pegasus coming out the sky.
I was trying to catch it, but I missed it. Clear. Now we got
Cameraman Dane.
22 Winchester Magnum. Also known as 22 mag. There was an empty shell casing I had in there just so, let me put it on safe. I had an empty shell casing just so I could decock it and I ain't had no snap caps. You know how rimfire is. My aim off a little bit
I
today.
just say, boy, you need to go to the range. You. That's the only way you're gonna hit the target. They down in a position and not move. That's what you're doing.
My little brother said ever since Burt Reynolds died, my aim been off, so whatever that means. Now we're gonna try 22 long rifle at a 1 gallon water jug. So what?
You're good. I'm leaking over here. I'm leaking, man. Hey, Tim. Hey. You hit somebody's stomach, that's how you think out inside just automatically leak it out. That's how people think it is. Boom, ah, every time.
Hey, then I forgot the gun can't fire with the magazine out. Safe, clear.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna test out at 22 mag. This should be a whole lot more devastation. Clear, safe. All right, this is what happened from the 22 long rifle, 22 LR. This is what the 22 Magnum, 22 WMR did.
My life.
Now we're gonna take about 5 shots
5 shots.
with the 22 LR.
22 LR.
And we're gonna be aiming at a stack of paper, pack of paper, whatever you want to call it.
How
See,
many sheets? How many sheets?
500 sheets.
500 sheets.
To see if 22 LR is gonna make it through. It didn't make it through none of them. Let's put about 10 more rounds through it and see what happened. All right, we're gonna do 10 more.
Shoot to the right to at least get it back in place.
One more.
One more.
As you can see, no 22 LR has made it through.
Yeah, we're gonna
Now we're gonna test the PMR 30 22 mag. We got a bag rolling across, we'll get it in a second. It's a little windy. We're gonna test the 22 mag and see if it's gonna be able to go through 500 sheets of paper.
Hey, when you get the stage, we'll be out here doing them hay bales.
Hold on 1 second, y'all. Now we're gonna finish off the 22 mag. Well, the rest of the bullets in the magazine that is.
Man, come on. Yeah. We have penetration.
As you can see, the confetti coming out the back.
Yeah.
Weapon is empty and is on clear. As you can see, we got penetration. So, the 22 mag, 500 sheets of paper did not stop it. So now we know what we gotta do next time. We gotta do 1,000 pieces of paper next time. 1,000 pieces of paper next time. Next time. But hey, that's all right, group. For me, I ain't testing for accuracy. I'm just trying to put it on the piece of paper. Get it? The piece of paper. But as y'all see, here go one of the 22 Magnum. This is one of the jackets off of it. I only seen one.
Well, you right in the baby anytime. Hey, which one?
Huh?
They better have the second on this one. Oh, shit. Like a red man chewing through it. I ain't gonna lie, they sure look good on camera. Look like no bucket confetti coming out the base. Should have kept on shooting.
This is all that was recovered from the 22 Magnum.
Shoot. They made about halfway through.
Yep. They probably, I say a good, the father one probably good, about a good 300 sheets. Okay, here go a bunch of, as you can see, it look like a lot of them hit each other and they're fused together, but I say the farthest one, look at, I say the farthest one made it probably about a good 300 sheets at the most. So, as you saw, the 22 mag made it through 500 sheets. Yeah, I know I'm sweating, it's humid. Mississippi Delta, 2,000% humidity. And the sun ain't out.
Man, these insects are mutated.
But I say, like I say, probably about 300 sheets that the 22 long rifle stopped in. So we'll come back and we'll try this again with the 22 mag and 1,000 sheets. Catch you next time. But if you like what you see, subscribe, hit that like button. Don't forget to turn the bell notification on, and don't forget to go subscribe to my other channel. It'll be linked in the description, and you can catch it on my featured channel. It's called Out the Mud. Catch you next time. And as always,
My life.
you had